You ready there? Go for it.
Imagine for a moment that you're part of an electrician team working on the biggest house of your life. Your team's job is to figure out the most efficient way to wire up 1 million gadgets. That includes the lights, the fans, all the AC units, the kitchen appliances, and any other various gadget that's in the house. You have to wire it up. Not only that, but your team also has to write a program that gives the homeowner full control of all these gadgets while he's sitting in his office. Oh, and the program cannot be complex or hard to figure out. Believe it or not, computer engineers design such houses for a living, just on a different scale. The gadgets are transistors, circuits, and interconnects that are all designed on the nanoscale. The house is a chip about the size of a quarter. And the program that the homeowner uses is the operating system and all the programs that are installed on a computer for an owner to use. Tonight I'm going to explain why I'm aiming for a career in computer engineering. First, the engineering portion relies heavily on math, science, and electrical knowledge, subjects I've enjoyed and excelled in for years. Second, I've come to love working with and building computers. Third, computer engineering combines that engineering aspect of math, science, and electronics with computers in a way that allows me to focus on both the computer and engineering aspects at the same time. The first part, the mathematics, science, and electronics, I've all loved since I was a little kid at school. I'd always loved the math classes, all the science classes. I'd always loved going to them, not the English classes, no, I didn't really like those. But I'd always look forward to, yay, I'm going to math class, or yay, I'm going to science class, I'm learning about this or that, I'm learning about physics, chemistry, biology, how to solve algebra equations, or in elementary school, learning how to add simple numbers. And so that always really interested me, and I've never really left that interest. And also, when I was younger, about 8 years ago, I got a little snap circuit game. And what that was, it was just a bunch of parts, little speakers and motors and all that other stuff that you can put together on the board, hook up, turn on, maybe a speaker would make a sound and a light would flash. Or if you do it another way and you press a switch, a fan would spin and all that other stuff. I always loved fooling around with that. And so that's where I've spent hours and hours on that. And that's where I got my love for electrical stuff. And as far as computer stuff goes, I got my first laptop when I was in about 10th grade. And that's basically where my love for computers started. So I initially just wanted to check out all the new features that are on this laptop. But then I wanted to learn, if problems come up, how do you fix it? And how do you prevent those problems from popping up again? So I spent literally hundreds of hours reading articles online, reading books, and watching videos online on what makes a computer tick, how do you fix problems, how do you upgrade stuff and build your own stuff. And eventually I got to a point where I actually build computers. A customer would say, hey, I need a computer, here's the budget. And I would go online, look at the parts, see what would fit together, buy those, put them together, and give them to the customer. And the most satisfying part about all that is pressing that power button and the screen turns on. Believe me, it's harder to do than you think. So I really enjoy computers in that way. So computer engineering, it really combines both the electrical part, the mathematics, electrical stuff, and science, and it combines computers all under the same field. So I need to use the math to figure out how much current a resistor will stop, or how much current will be needed to make a fan turn a certain RPM. That all involves the math, and then the science is, how the electricity actually works, what parts can you put together without something going poof and a little puff of smoke going up. And the electrical part is just obviously putting together circuits, figuring out what works, and then the computer part is writing the code that fits with your device. So say someone's holding a Game Boy, first you would design all the circuits and then you write the code to make so that Game Boy can actually play games. And so in conclusion, tonight I've explained somewhat what computer engineering is and the reasons why I've chosen to major in it. Computer engineering merges math, science, electronics, and computer knowledge, all of which I love and excel in. So the next time you need someone to wire up a house, that same house on the nanoscale level, you know where to look. My name is Andrew Martin. I'm in Speech 205, and the course number, the section number is 34. The date is January 25th, 2017.